Today, we are gonna talk the 5 key parameters to selecting a mutual fund. What do you look before investing in mutual funds? Do you look into the portfolio returns? Do you look into the AUM? Do you look at the brokerage house ratings that are being provided? Or do you look at which is the parent company that is releasing the mutual fund? Mutual fund selection has very little to do with all the parameters I mentioned above, but it has a lot to do with the people who are both investing and buying. Behind a stock is a company, and behind a fund is a fund manager and his strategy. Once this is clear, let's touch upon the parameters that go into the selection of a mutual fund. First and the foremost is the fund manager history. Look at the fund manager who has been managing this fund. How long has he been managing? Are there multiple people who are managing this fund? The longer the fund manager, the more predictable are the outcomes of the fund. The second is the fund manager style. Fund managers usually try to follow either a value, a hybrid, or a growth-based investment strategy. You should be able to find that by looking at the stocks that are in the portfolio and also the fund prospectus. If you ask me, I like blend or hybrid, which covers the best of both sides. The third criteria is the kind of portfolio that you already have and the fund that you are trying to buy in. This is also very critical because you don't want to duplicate your efforts. You know what are the areas that you are really good at. You have already been invested either via other mutual funds or as stocks. Now you would want to buy a mutual fund that is distinct from what you already own, and it helps in diversification of your portfolio to create an all-weather portfolio. So think of it. Your portfolio needs to get into a level where whether the market goes up or down, the returns are almost guaranteed. The fourth one is time of entry. All equity funds follow a bull or a bear cycle at specific points of time, which means their NAV or net asset value is really high at certain point of time and then also falls down, again picks it up. So it really is important where you buy the fund. I really like systematic investment plans because they kind of reduce the risk of where you are entering. Finally, it's the fund performance. We all know how to figure out the fund performance. Look at the 10-year history, how it has performed. Look at the volatility, look at the benchmarks. Has it overperformed? Has it underperformed? All these factors finally come. With some great fund managers around, I am sure you can pick the right one which suits you and stay invested for a very long time and hence make good returns on this bull market of India and be part of this growth cycle. Hey, thank you for watching the video. Hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon so that you can get my latest videos. See you. Bye-bye.